everyone, it's Vince here. On today's video, I'll show you how you can earn money by watching gaming videos. Hope you enjoy. Let's kick it off. The application we're going to use is called LootUp. Now, LootUp is a multi-earning platform where you can earn money through surveys, playing games, completing offers, and of course, watching videos. I recently did a video covering multiple ways to earn money by watching videos, but I thought I'd better go a little bit more in depth into LootUp and the capabilities of watching videos on it to earn cash. You see, Ascend Media actually owns LootUp, and they also own Hideout TV, which in my opinion gives LootUp some of the best rates to watch videos with. On LootUp, we can watch gaming videos to earn Hideout points, which can then be converted into real money. Let me give you a breakdown of the currency system on LootUp. You can see here that 1,000 points equals $1 worth of currency, and tapping on the redemption button at the bottom of the screen takes you to the withdraw area. You have three different areas at the top of the screen to withdraw from. You have crypto, gift cards, and PayPal. The minimum withdrawal for PayPal is $1 single, everyone, and the best thing is it's in USD currency. So for countries where the USD is super strong, this is actually super helpful. Now, gift cards, on the other hand, vary a bit. Here are the minimums and the maximum for each of the gift cards listed on the screen right now. Of course, depending on your country, these amounts are going to be different. So LootUp in Australia has these methods. Now, for cryptocurrency on LootUp, you need 5,100 points, which equals $5.10. And here are the different amount of cryptocurrencies you're allowed to cash out with. So now that you understand that 1,000 points equals $1, I can start showing you the video portion of LootUp. First, go to the watch videos area on the main screen, select Hideout TV Gaming, and here you can see the amount of points earned for every video and add watched, which is 3 in my country. So I'm going to tap on the start earning button now. First thing it's going to do is ask me to log into Hideout TV, which I'll do. And now I'm watching a video called Some of the Best Horror Games Ever Made. You can see that an advertisement has just played as well, so this is what will count towards my Hideout point generation. So I'm going to watch videos for 30 minutes straight and come back to you all to show you how many Hideout points I was able to generate. I'll be back soon, everyone. Just a quick little update, we're about 10 minutes in. I've already earned 13.2 of the Hideout points, so that's pretty decent so far. I've watched a couple of the videos. I mean, not the fastest generation by any means. From what I can tell already with this type of method, you're not going to become rich or earn any decent revenue, okay? This is something that I feel you're going to have running in the background while you're doing other things, which is fair enough, because at the end of the day, all we really care about is if this method is actually viable and legitimate. So hopefully on today's video, I'll be able to answer this for you all. Not only that though, I'm going to visit the website as well to see if there's any difference from using the LootUp application or going straight to Hideout TV. Because I could have sworn that you could actually earn from Hideout TV directly instead of using an application, but that's what I'll find out today for you. Alright, so we're back. It's actually been 45 minutes instead of 30 minutes, and as you can see, we've only earned about 33.9 of the Hideout points. Something I've noticed is that even though you watch some advertisements, they may not all be counted towards your Hideout points. At least that's what I've seen, okay? Now, whether or not they're just delayed and they add on to the next batch of points that you earn from watching ads, I'm not too sure about. But the fact that I only have 33.9 of the Hideout points within about 45 minutes of watching videos is quite low in my opinion, which I did mention earlier, okay? But that does not mean it's a bad way to earn by any means. I mean, at the end of the day, I'm just watching videos in the background. Something I do want to note here, if you tap on the Hideout TV gaming channel underneath the video title, this will allow you to browse through a few hundred different gaming videos, which is very nice to see. But if you're not happy with what you're finding here on the Hideout gaming channel, you can simply just tap the search button and type in whatever game you want to try and find. So I'll type in Halo, and now you'll see that there's about 148 videos of Halo content. So now just remember, I can watch any of these videos and start earning the Hideout points, which is quite nice. Now the only downside I can really see about Hideout TV is that the content is quite old and quite limited because they run off a system of creators on their platform. From what I personally experienced, there is a way that you can start to see more up-to-date gaming videos. videos. Tap the top left corner of the screen to go to the menu. You will then see GamerSpot. Tapping on that will bring you to a whole new platform which has up-to-date gaming videos. You can see here someone just posted a video 13 hours ago. So I feel like this is another way for you guys to find maybe more gaming videos you might be interested in to earn these Hideout points. Whether or not you're actually going to watch these videos or not, that's up to you. I did hear that Hideout TV can ban people if they leave it inactive for too long. So let's just say you put a video on and you let it autoplay for like 17 hours without touching it, you may get a ban from what I've heard. But again, the exact same concept applies here. You can tap the search button, type in a game that you want to watch, like I've just typed in Need for Speed, and as you can see, we have some videos on the Need for Speed game. That being said, since this is on the GamerSpot platform and now not the Hideout TV official platform, I'm just going to make sure that we can still earn points the exact same way we would if we just watched it on Hideout, okay? So let me go find a video. I'm going to watch this video which was released 2 days ago. Something else that I noticed is that advertisements are not guaranteed on Hideout TV or any of the little sub Hideout TV channels they have running. So there's no guarantee you're going to earn money all the time when you watch these type of videos. Like right there, an advertisement did not play when the video started up. So you just have to keep an eye on that as well. Alright, well thankfully I do videos like this, so I'm able to actually review the applications at the time, and I discovered something about GamerSpot. I've been watching videos on GamerSpot now for about an hour, and the only advertisements that appear are 11 minutes or more in length, which is not realistic at all. You'd skip those ads. But you just saw then as well, advertisements will try to play, but then nothing happens. So at the time of this recording, even though GamerSpot is an option, here in Australia and in my experience, I'd probably skip GamerSpot altogether. It seems they do have some more game videos on there, but I'd stick to just the original Hideout that you get through LootUp. Let's see how up-to-date Hideout TV gaming is. So it just simply takes you to the actual playlist that I showed you earlier with the hundreds of gaming videos. But let's just type in games in the search bar and see what comes up. So about 1,944 videos actually popped up when I typed in games. So now at least we have almost 2,000 videos to browse through here and watch what piques our interest, which is better than nothing, right? Remember, the keyword I used was just games. So if you want to refine that even more, you can. I just typed in walkthrough and almost 500 videos appeared. Generally, walkthroughs are video game guides where people will show you how to finish a game or at least get to the end of a game, and they're usually quite long as well. So now I'm going to watch a walkthrough video on Hideout TV instead of GamerSpot to see the difference. Because GamerSpot earned me absolutely nothing for an hour of watching on it. So let's see what Hideout TV can offer me for watching a 17-minute long video. I'm going to watch this one here of Borderlands 3, Takedown at the Guardian Breach. I'm starting this off with 39.9 Hideout points. And now you can see an advertisement appears without any issues, which is so different to GamerSpot. I'll be back in 17 minutes to see the update. Look at this everyone, we are 10 minutes into this video and I've earned 16.5 of the Hideout points. That is completely different to what I earned earlier on in the day. So either we have certain videos and genres that will pay more, or maybe I'm just seeing more advertisements on a long video. But now you can at least see the potential of watching longer videos on Hideout TV. Alrighty, let's head to Hideout TV's website to see if we still get the exact same earning potential we would by going through LootUp. Alright, so now we're on the official hideout.co website. I'm going to do the exact same thing I did on the LootUp application, and that's search for games on here. So I've just searched for walkthrough again and received the exact same search result, which is fantastic. So now this means I can watch walkthroughs on my computer or any videos I want in reality. I'm going to watch this Saints Row first 20 minutes of gameplay as John Wick video that's almost 24 minutes long. I got an 11-minute advertisement again, so I'm going to skip that straight away. Either way, I'm starting off with 50.4 Hideout points. I'll be back in 24 minutes to give you an update. Alright everyone, just watched a 24-minute video. Are you ready to see the points that I generated? Only 2.5 points. That is ridiculously low. I would recommend staying on the LootUp application for sure, or watching Hideout TV from your mobile phone. So now I want to redeem my Hideout TV points to Lootup. I'm going to tap transfer points on the menu. Now it states that I can redeem my points. So at the moment, 45 points have been processed. I can redeem 45 of these points for 50 Lootup points. I'm going to tap redeem balance now. And that is it. It has now been redeemed. So now I'm back on Lootup and you can see I now have 300 points. Hideout TV has now been credited to my account. Another great thing if you use the Lootup application are the free giveaway areas that Lootup has on a regular basis, such as the prize wheel. With this prize wheel, you can get straight up points or even bonuses. I'm going to spin the wheel now, and I just earned 100 points just like that. So I can come back in 24 hours to try and earn some more rewards. You can also enter Lootup contests. Essentially, the more points you earn on Lootup, the higher you go up the rankings to earn bonus rewards every single week or month. It all depends on the giveaway you're trying to enter. Lootup has giveaways on a regular basis. This is why I recommend you do any of the free giveaways or bonuses which I've shown you while watching videos, because there's no real harm in doing it. So, is the Lootup plus Hideout TV combination worth it? In all honesty, I think it actually is, because compared to a lot of the other money-making apps that promise that you can earn money by watching videos, at least this one actually gives you a decent reward for the time that you spend. In my experience though, using the website was definitely not as good as using the mobile phone application, which is quite frustrating for me because I would like to watch videos from my computer as well, but sadly in my experience, and it might only be my country, or just me in general, I was only able to earn about 2.5 of the points compared to the apps like 17 points nearly in the same time span. If you like this video, you'll absolutely love my top ways to earn money by watching videos post that I did the other week. I'll leave a link to it in the description below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you all tomorrow.